come on inside because it's nice and warm inside. So we have a beautiful family room right where you are, and we're gonna walk right through here. You can see the family room. It's adjacent to the front porch that's facing the ocean. So you can, it's gonna be the main living room here, featuring a beautiful gas fireplace. All right, and we're gonna walk you right through here to the beautiful kitchen. You have your stone countertops here with the quartz stone, and beautiful kitchen here next to the nice dining area. We have many entryways. This is the side door that connects to the front porch, and you will see this spectacular ocean view right out here. Or you can see the spectacular plows driving by. You got your wine area, all your plates, all your fancy china can be right in here for storage. And you guys ready to go upstairs? Let's go this way. All right, so you got your first bath right in here. And this is adjacent to the laundry room. This is the second bedroom. This is the master bed. Welcome here. The bedrooms have their wonderful ceiling fans, and this master bedroom features a nice balcony with the spectacular view of the ocean. Look at that, and the sunshine. I mean, it is unbelievable the amount of vitamin D that you can get here. I didn't do that. Okay, we are hopping right over here, and we will see a beautiful walk-in shower. You'll see the beautiful stones there for the walk-in shower. And what's really nice about this is there is a walk-in closet with a makeup sink. Some bedrooms that you could use for guests. So these are the guest bedrooms up here. Very comfortable and very good size bedrooms. So in the summertime when you're entertaining family members, they can stay up here, very comfortable. They have also the beautiful view of the ocean from the windows, and plenty of skylights here, so natural lighting for comfort. And it is truly luxury living.